Magandang araw mga ka-12. Ito ang inyong weekly dose at narito ang mga kaganapan sa aming ahensya ngayong linggo. Excellence in Local Governance upheld. Seal of Good Local Governance Regional Calibration. Seal of Good Local Governance Incentive Fund On-Site Monitoring. Cross-validation of Constructors' Performance Evaluation System. Consultation on the conceptualization of monitoring and evaluation system for the comprehensive local juvenile intervention program implementation. Department of Trade, Industry, Rural Agro-Industrial Partnership for the Inclusive Development TWG meeting. Attendance to the CY 2024 second quarter Regional Project Monitoring Committee 12 meeting problem-solving session. Second quarter Subaybayan Assessment. Resilient Communities Reinforce. Second quarter Regional Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council 12 Full Council Meeting. Orientation on the Department of Interior and Local Government, Department of Health Joint Memorandum Circular 2023-001 on Retention and Continued Service of Barangay Health Workers. Barangay Kalinisan Day Cleanup Drive at Barangay Poblacion, Carmen, Province of Cotabato.
Inclusive Communities Enabled.
Roundtable discussion with civil society organization partners. Highly trusted department and partner. Attendance to the training program on records keeping and data management. Orientation on smoke-free DOSE. Attendance to the integrity and commitment, strategic management, and sustainability planning. Governance exemplars for meaningful service for SK Regional Assessment first meeting. Attendance to the orientation on investment programming concerns in preparation for the updating of Regional Development Investment Program 2023-2028, Annual Investment Program 2026, and Infrastructure Flagship Project. DILG Regional Focal Persons and Local Resource Institute representatives to the coaches training on SK Planning and Budgeting. Attendance to 2024 second quarter meeting of the Regional Micro, Small, and Medium Enterprise Development Council, SOCSURGEN. At iyon ang mga kaganapan sa aming ahensya ngayong linggo. Abangan next week para sa isa namang episode ng inyong weekly dose na matino, mahusay at maasaang kagawaran. Ako si Sian, maraming salamat.